On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Fats and sugars. Dairy products. Protein. Fruit and vegetables. Cereals. What is your favorite food? Some people love burgers. Some people love chocolate cakes and ice cream. Not many would say broccoli is their favorite food. But you can't eat only burgers and chocolate cakes all the time. You also need fruits, vegetables, and other kinds of foods. Foods can be divided into 5 groups. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta are important sources of carbohydrates, which provide energy. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Foods that come from animals, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, are a good source of protein used to build and repair body parts. Fatty foods, such as butter and sweets like candy and cookies, are unhealthy and should be eaten less. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.